Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Hearing continued today in the matter for the determination of who is the authentic governorship candidate for PDP in Delta State. The matter, of course, between Sheriff Oborevwori, winner of the May 25th governorship primary, and first runner of Edevbie. Councils for both parties presented their briefs and their arguments today, which were all adopted. And indeed, the three-man panel led by Justice Olabisi Ige announced in their ruling that a date will be communicated to both parties when judgment on this matter will be read. Immediately after today's proceedings, we spoke with counsels to Sheriff Oborevwori and Edevbie.
We pray for the best. We have done our bit. We expect the court to now do its bit. Our own is to argue, their own is to dispense justice. And we pray that the justice should be in our favor. That is the best we can ask for.
The proceedings have gone well. The proceedings have gone in accordance with law and procedure of the courts. So we just await the decision of the court on our appeal. Well, the court has reserved the judgment. What that means is that when the judgment is ready, we can just receive a notice in under a day or two or three or four, and the judgment will be delivered. So as soon as the judgment is ready, you can see the copious papers filed by the lawyers, tons and tons of briefs of argument filed by the lawyers. So I guess the court needs a bit of time to take in all the arguments and come to a considered decision as to what is the right thing to do.
Can you confirm that your client's name has been removed from the INEC portal? That's been the story since yesterday.
Well, INEC will answer that. As far as we're concerned, our candidate remains the candidate that has been recognized by INEC, and that, to the best of our knowledge, is still the position.
The law is the law. It doesn't change for anybody. A judgment of court is binding on every, regardless of whether you're a government agency or not. The orders of the Federal High Court should have been abided with upon pronunciation, not to wait for this long. Though I commend them for eventually doing it if this is true, but I must say, INEC should have done that immediately upon pronunciation by the Federal High Court.
Inside the Niger Delta,